I did a one-day road trip to Pawhuska to go eat, shop, and tour all things Pioneer Woman. For those of you that don't know who she is, she has a cooking channel on the Food Network channel. I decided to carve out some time in my Texas trip to squeeze in the Pioneer Woman, so I went on a 5-hour road trip from Dallas to Pawhuska. The bakery is upstairs. As you walk up the stair, there are plenty of comfortable seatings to choose from. Toward the back of the bakery, there are open windows to look into. You can see the workers making and baking the delicious goodies. There are so much baked good that it was hard to choose from. The restaurant is by the entrance. It is best to put in your name before you walk around. When I went there, it was about 1.5 hour wait. The food that I ordered was all delicious. My favorite was the Parmesan garlic fries and the spicy Dr. Pepper pork belly. I don't even like Dr. Pepper, but this was delicious. My kid loved the Parmesan garlic fry just like me, and Lad's favorite chicken sandwich. Everything was so good. I wish I lived closer by so that way I can come here every day to try everything. The Mercantile has a gift wrapping station for all the gifts that you buy. The pricing was very affordable. A small package is only $5. It includes the box, the wrapping paper, and the flour. Check out the gift that I had them wrap for me. I was blown away how beautiful it is. It was hard for me to give it away. The store has anything and everything Pioneer Woman. There are knickknacks, cooking utensil, toys, decoration, and even some clothing. They also have a gift wrapping station. The Mercantile consists of a bakery, restaurants, and store. On the same street of the Mercantile, the Pioneer Woman has a boarding house, the Pioneer Woman Collection Store, P-Town Pizzas, and Charlie's Sweet Shop. During certain days, the lodge is open for tourists. The lodge is where she records her show. I only had 1 day trip, so I was only able to go to the Mercantile, the Pioneer Woman Collection Store, and the lodge tour. A few doors down is the Pioneer Woman Collection Store. There are different stuff than the Mercantile. Mostly are clothing.